Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Blink Mini 2, a compact yet feature-packed security camera that's making waves in the market. Let's jump right in. The Blink Mini 2 is the latest iteration of Blink's popular mini security camera series. It's designed to be small yet versatile, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use with some caveats. First off, let's talk about the design. The Blink Mini 2 is incredibly compact, smaller than your palm, making it easy to install discreetly. However, its lightweight build can make initial setup a bit delicate. You'll need to ensure a stable placement, especially since it's wired only. Despite its size, the Blink Mini 2 doesn't compromise on features. It boasts a two-way audio system, night vision capability, and even a tiny spotlight for added visibility. The camera offers a surprisingly wide field of view, capturing entire rooms effectively. One of the standout features of the Blink Mini 2 is its user-friendly app. Setting up the camera is straightforward, and the app allows for easy customization of settings like motion detection sensitivity and privacy zones. It's a breeze to navigate, even for those new to smart home tech. Unlike its predecessor, the Blink Mini 2 introduces limited outdoor use. It's weather-resistant, but remember, the cable isn't, so you'll need an adapter for outdoor setups. This expands its utility but adds to the overall cost. To unlock advanced features like person detection and video storage, you'll need a Blink subscription. Plans start affordably, offering good value if you want more than just live viewing. Being an Amazon brand, the Blink Mini 2 integrates seamlessly with Alexa devices. This means you can use voice commands to check live feeds or integrate it into routines with other smart home gadgets. Now, let's summarize. The Blink Mini 2 impresses with its compact design, robust feature set, and intuitive app controls. However, its small size can pose challenges in certain installations, and outdoor use requires additional accessories. For those looking for an affordable yet capable security solution, especially in small spaces or as part of an Alexa-powered smart home ecosystem, the Blink Mini 2 is a solid choice. Just keep in mind its limitations when compared to larger, more expensive models. That wraps up our review of the Blink Mini 2. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.